Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can set the keyboard backlight brightness. That means on macOS obviously your keyboard has a backlight, but you can set the brightness also. So we have installed the system to the Big Sur update from Catalina. So if you also want to install it on your system, you can refer the link in the description of the video. So this is our macOS Big Sur. Now let us see how we can easily increase the brightness of our keyboard backlight. It's very easy. After you have logged in, herein you can see click on the following sign. After clicking, click on keyboard brightness. I clicked on it. Herein you can see there is no brightness on our keyboard. Let us set it. Now let us click on the keyboard preferences and let's see what all options are visible. Herein you can see adjust keyboard brightness in low light. It will automatically adjust. Turn keyboard backlight after 5 seconds of inactivity. I guess in my case 10 seconds would be better. I need to check it first. 10 seconds. I guess it's fine. So herein we have set the keyboard backlight brightness. So guys, in this video we saw how we can set the brightness of the keyboard backlight. We also saw that how we can set it to adjust automatically in low light, as well as we also saw how we can set that when the keyboard backlight will be off, that is after some seconds of inactivity. So we have set it to 10 seconds. You can change it from here. And the easiest way in the macOS Big Sur update is that you just need to go here and you need to select the keyboard brightness from here. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.